So my wife showed me lots of videos of people complaining about the cooktop of the Induction, and I don't know, I forget what they call this. So she's done all the cooking and I kind of do the cleanup. So I just want to show you how easy it is to clean it up. And a lot of the things where you see people getting scuffs and marks on there, I mean, we've had it for almost 2 years and we don't experience that. So you see, everything's pretty good. And we use the wipe, instead of using paper towels, this Skoy, I think it's coming from Sweden. This is a great product. I've used this for like over a decade. This is a really good product. There's a link in the description below. No reason not to shamelessly promote, because lots of people watch the videos, but lots of people watch and don't subscribe. Now you can wipe these off with a paper towel. And then I also recommend using Weiman's Cooktop Daily Cleaner. This works. This is good. It smells a little bit like Fantastic. I don't use the Skoy with this because I use this to clean lots of different things, but I'll use a paper towel with this and just wipe it off to make sure that surface gets that glass clean. Maybe once a week at a minimum, sometimes twice. Depends on how you want to get that shine. It's just like putting a little bomb protection on your shoes. You just want to give it that extra layer and see, perfect. So I'm going to leave a link to this below and also a link to the Skoy below. But all those folks that you see with mess over here, it's either because they scratch, there's no scratches or anything like that. There's no material here. You just got to wipe it off. Even if we'd left it on there for a long period of time, it would be off. Okay, hopefully this helps. Thanks.